MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Cleaning the underside of your car is one of the hardest things to do on your own. And I'm sure you've heard of this new thing called dry ice cleaning, or maybe you haven't. And I'm here with Brian today from Polish to Perfection. Brian, can you tell us a little bit about what your business does?
Yeah, so we're a veteran-owned small business. We do dry ice cleaning. It's a relatively new process. It's been up and coming the last 2 years. You know, it's nice because a lot of people now you see car auctions, you know, on TV and online, Bring a Trailer, Barrett Jackson, those sort of places. And, you know, the people want to see the underside of the cars, and a clean undercarriage is always going to bring more money. You know, the nice thing about the dry ice cleaning is, you know, it's environmentally friendly. We don't use chemicals. There's no secondary waste. You know, it's really good for the underside of the car. It's non-abrasive. We don't remove any chalk marks, paint marks, stickers, anything. It just removes the dirt and leaves a pristine finish. The dry ice hits the dirt hits the floor, and carbon dioxide is in the atmosphere. And when dry ice is created from carbon dioxide that's in the atmosphere. So again, it's great for the environment.
So, like some people may know it like media blasting, where there's a lot of leftover debris and things like that. So that's great that it's much better for the environment. What is that process like on dry ice cleaning a car?
So on dry ice cleaning, you have three things that happen. You have the speed of the pellet that comes out of the machine that hits the dirt, and it kind of breaks it apart. The dry ice is -109 Fahrenheit, and it super freezes it and it shrinks it. The dry ice pellet going from solid to gas creates a little explosion and blows the dirt apart.
Well, thank you for having us here, Brian. Thank you for showing us the process of dry ice cleaning. It was very interesting.
It was my pleasure to have MotorWeek in my shop and be able to showcase what we're doing here.
Yeah. If you have a question or comment, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.